Now, we've already shown you that MirrorCam can help you when you're driving, but also it can help you when you're parked up as well. Let me set the scene. You've parked up the truck, you've drawn all the curtains, you're half asleep, and suddenly you hear a noise. You don't want to get out of your cab for the safety side of it. Here, MirrorCam can help you. Press the button on, MirrorCam comes on for 2 minutes, and as you can see, it's excellent low light visibility. We're in a warehouse here, it's a bit dark, we made it artificially dark, just to show you how great vision you've got. Obviously, most importantly for you then, you remain safe in the cab. On the subject of light levels, when you're in the driver's seat or when you're operating the truck, MirrorCam automatically adjusts for the ambient light levels, but you can override it. If you go into operation, then display and operation, scroll down then to screen brightness, then look for driver MirrorCam, and then you have a sliding scroll for making it darker or making it brighter.